Okay, so today is Sunday reset day, and what we're going to do is reset my closet that needs a lot of love. I will put a clip in here just in case you guys can't see the floor because it's full of clean clothes that I send out to the cleaners and then they just drop them back off, but I haven't put anything up. So we have to get everything off the floor. I want to kind of like organize this a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to switch some things around. And then I have my accessories area over here that I want to switch up. I may move this to where I'm filming right here because it may work better. So I'm not sure, but the first things first, getting everything off of the floor and organizing all of this stuff. So let's go. I've got my snacks. Hold on, let me get them so I can show you. Okay, so I've got my Tabitha Brown vegan cherry and granola trail mix snacks here. And then I've also got my mint tea for the morning. Good stuff. And so we are ready. I'm going to try to time block this effort to 1.5 hours. It is, oh my goodness, what time is it? Hold on. It's 11:13. So we'll say about like, I don't know, 12:45. Yeah, that sounds good. We'll do 12:45 and see where I'm at. So let's go.